prior to my surgical experience here, my bunions were, they were painful for a while. And then even when the pain would subside, I'd look down and I'm always reminded of my feet and the shape of them and the way they look in shoes. Certain shoes I couldn't wear. So the worst part about the bunion, besides the pain, is how it made me feel about myself every time somebody looked down at my feet. So first I got a great referral from a friend, and then after looking at the website, looking at the YouTube channel, doing a little bit of investigation about the procedure, and realizing that not very many people are trained on this, the opportunity to have something that wouldn't take me out of the game, just knowing what the healing would be like based on everything I read, it got me interested. I think from the very first time I came, just meeting the staff, and then getting familiar with everybody, you come pretty regularly, and just the attention, just the way everything seems personalized for me. Like I feel like I know everybody by name, and even through the procedure, it was just a wonderful experience.
We did this procedure without any pins, screws, plates, anything inside your foot. What were your thoughts on that?
That was a worry for me. I'm glad that it wasn't even something that I had to consider, because I have a really good friend who had pins and screws in her foot. She got an infection, and something that she started in October. Here we are, July. She still has issues with her foot. The foot swells, it hurts. It was constant pain for her. She was in a boot, she was in a shoe. It's just been a long road for her. And here we are 8 months later, 9 months later, and she's still struggling. So the fact that I didn't even have to consider that, people find it hard to believe that my bunion is gone.
Right.
There's no hardware in my foot at all. Even when I made an appointment with my dentist, she's like, "You had bunion surgery?" She's like, "And you don't have anything in your..." I'm like, "I have no pins, needles, screws, nothing in my foot now." All my friends have big, ugly scars. I'm the only one that there is no scar. So you can't even tell that I had any kind of surgery. I didn't think I'd be able to walk the same day. I didn't think I'd be able to drive a couple days later. I didn't think I'd be able to get around as easily as I did. So for a while I had the surgical shoe on, and I started looking for something that I could wear afterwards, and I would just tell everybody. Everybody always wants to know, what happened to your foot?
Yeah.
So I'm always like, well, I had a minimally invasive bunion surgery, which nobody's ever heard of, right? So then I have to hear everybody's story about how horrible theirs was, or why they didn't get it, which gave me an opportunity to talk about this procedure and hopefully make other people look into it, because it was not disruptive. My surgery was on a Friday. I think by Sunday I was moving around comfortably. I'm okay with getting the other one done, because I can't have one cute foot. I've told a million people about it, and I would absolutely recommend this office.